Hello my friends, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Joan, and if you're returning, welcome back. And today we're going to be having homemade pot roast. Let me see if I can get this better shot. And these is potatoes and onions and carrots, and then we have green beans here. Yeah, my potatoes, they kind of got smushy, but hey, they're still delicious. So let's try this. It's really, really good. And my roast is really, really tender. I had gravy, but my potatoes and carrots about all smushed up in my gravy, so that's alright. Barnabas is joining us. It's really good. I saw a YouTube video. What was it? Grandmothers or aunts or somebody making adobo. I never heard of adobo. So I looked it up. It looked delicious. So I used that recipe for my roast. It's delicious. Really good. This is my roast I picked up yesterday at Sam's during my Sonic Mukbang. Excuse me. A big potato. I was surprised how much when I was ordering my stuff online. This was Wednesday night for Sam's. No, it wasn't. I ordered Thursday morning. I didn't order Thursday morning. Picked it up yesterday evening. How much stuff they were out of. Well, we didn't have any Johnny or Amber, didn't. That's her name, Amber. Today. I don't know what to do with myself when they're not in court. So I've spent my day cooking and cleaning. Really, really good. Potatoes and carrots don't look nothing like mush now, but they're delicious. Let's see, I put my roast in for 3 hours. I think I should have waited for my carrots till they was almost ready to put them in. My potatoes I put the last hour. I think I should have waited. They didn't need to go that long. But, oh well. It's still delicious. I think it was 2 cups of water. I called it peppercorns, but I didn't have any. I used black pepper. And some salt, a little seasoned salt, garlic. A half a cup of soy sauce. 3 bay leaves. There we go. I usually cook my roast in the crock pot. This time I used my Dutch oven. They're really good. Tastes a lot better than it does in crock pot. I'm full. Yeah, Barnabas getting excited over here. Want some water. I'll tell you, my watch just turns around and around. It goes wherever it wants to go. One hole is too big, then you do the next one, and it's like, well, it's perfect, but then you sweat and you wash dishes or whatever with it, and then that plastic gets all, well, you can't get any air through there, and it's like, well, I don't like that. Who else loves pot roast? Well, I finally got 2 whole chickens. My other Walmart had those. I got those yesterday. I'm gonna roast those tomorrow. I was gonna do a brisket tomorrow. Well, they're saying we may have rain, severe storms. So I might just wait and put that brisket in the freezer for Memorial Day. I swear, I think the United States, we have a holiday every day. Seems like it. I still think we need a holiday for the farmers. For growing our vegetables and our fruit, and for cows and pigs and all our food, and cotton for our clothing, wheat. Yeah, people forget about where does our food come from. It doesn't just show up at the grocery store. If you know a farmer, thank you, farmer. Rancher, farmers. Look at this last piece of meat. Oh, that's not meat. I have potatoes. Here, I'll give you this little piece of meat. I'll take the potatoes. Oh well, he's clean. Last bite. So delicious. I like it. I thought I was going to get a bigger roast. I usually get them, I slice them for steaks. But when they brought that roast out, well, it wasn't big enough for steaks. It was only $17 or something, so it wasn't big. And once you cooked it, it was half the size. My tummy is full. Look at that. Say hello. Are you sleepy? So I woke up for 10 minutes and it's time to go back to bed. Say hello. Show your pretty toofies. Say hello. Say hello. Say hello to everybody. Say hello. Say mama. Are you being shy? Don't be shy. Say hello. Yeah. See, I'm a sweetie. Yeah. Aww. And let's tell everybody bye. Okay. I guess I'm going to tell everybody bye. You going to help me? So make sure to subscribe to my channel down below and leave a comment if you'd like, and click the bell notification and click the like button, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.